Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy content like this. So today is the Brewed Beauty collab hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. And the other ladies in the collab are Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, and Erica from Erica Sue Nail and More. So this week's collab theme from the Brewed Beauties is either the June birth flower, so which is either the rose or the honeysuckle. Sorry, I keep watching out the window here. I have been sitting here with my foundation on and ready to go for 38 minutes now, waiting for my neighbor to be done cutting his grass. Which could have been done this weekend, but whatever. So I'm going to go with the, did I say fuchsia? Honeysuckle or rose is the June flower. And I'm going to go with the honeysuckle flower and the kind of reddish pink, orange, yellow variety. And now he's going to weed eat. I'm sorry, I'm just going to have to film with this noise in the background. It's ridiculous. I'm sorry if it's annoying. It's been going on, like I said, for 38 minutes now. And the yard is approximately, oh, I don't know, 10 foot wide by 8 or 9 foot deep. And then there's like a little piece of grass on the thing. I'm going to pause this. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm sure you can still hear it. I closed all the windows. I just don't know what else to do, but I really need to get this filmed and uploaded because sometimes my internet's wonky. So anyway, I am going with the June flower, the hibiscus, and I'm going to use the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Lion King palette and the Orange You Glad. So that's what I'm gonna do. I've already put my foundation on, and I use Simply Ageless by Olay in Honey and LYS light to medium contour, and I just put a light blush on today. So this is what the palette looks like. So I think I'm going to go into Circle of Life, which is this yellow. And I think I'm going to go into, I've never used these before, so this is going to be kind of like a review. Try out. A tryout of this palette and the collab. And take that up into my crease. As you know, I got to take things a little bit higher. Like I said, I'm going with the reddish, pinkish red variety of the honeysuckle. And I hope I've had I've had so many flowers in my head. I was saying fuchsia, hibiscus, all this other stuff. It is rose and honeysuckle, and I am doing the reddish fuchsia type color of the honeysuckle, and they have the yellow centers, and it kind of fades into orange. All right. I don't know why they just can't cut their lawn over the weekend like we all do. Usually, these are new neighbors and they moved in over the winter. So we have like catty corner across the street. They're new. And the ones behind my house are new. They moved in over the winter. So far, since it's warmed up, the cops have been to the house behind me 7 or 8 times for music, which we didn't call, but somebody's calling. And they've been over there, I don't know, a dozen times where the guy's cutting his grass now. For music and fireworks and fights. So needless to say, and I'm sorry I'm coughing so much. This smoke that was, in our skies just really irritated mine and my husband's throat. My daughter's been coughing. She doesn't hardly even go outside. Alright, so that yellow worked out pretty good. So I'm going to clean my brush. And I'm going to do the outer corner now. I think I'm going to go into that fuchsia red. I know reds are hard to do. This looks like it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. I'm going to take that on the outer V and up into the crease. Alright, I'm probably going to have to tap that on. It's not very pigmented. It's not bad though for the cost. I got it on sale. I think this little palette got I'm gonna go in the middle and pick up some of that fuchsia. It was like $7 or $8 on sale. I'm gonna take that into the yellow. Up a little higher. Yeah, the fuchsia and the red is not. I'm gonna have to pack it in there. I just keep going back and forth between Roar and Wild Side, which are the two reddish colors. Alright, so let's do... I'm not rushing anymore. I figure if you guys don't like the length of the video, you can speed up. You can speed it up. It's going on this eye a little bit easier. Maybe it's because I did use eye primer, and I set it with some setting powder. I hope you guys aren't picking up on all the texture on my skin. My skin's really dry right now. Whatever that crap was in the air. Now, it was only like showing, like where you could actually see the smog for about 3 or 4 days. We had our family reunion, so we were outside, and all I can say is, like, we couldn't smell anything. Like, at first you could smell a little bit. I'm going to go back into that Circle of Life yellow and just tap it a little bit. Wow, okay. Hello, pigment. And just blend this up here. Um, we noticed like a smoky smell, but it wasn't really like wood smell. It was more chemically, like a chemical smell. Alright, now I'm going to go into, I don't know if I want to do that bright orange. What the hell, we're going to do it. Pride Lands up there in the top. Go right in the middle, maybe. Another one that looks promising on the brush. Doesn't matter, I'm just using it as a base for the shimmer I'm going to use. Not a palette I would reach for consistently because it's hard to work with. It's, you know, it's not bad. Let's go with that. For, you know, something affordable, it's not bad at all. Alright. I want to brighten up that yellow a little bit on the inner. Alright. I'm going to go into the ColourPop Orange Juglad palette, and I want to do a little bit of shimmer where that orange is. So I'm going to go into, I don't know, Tangerine Dreams. And go over where I put that orange. I'm going to tap it. So it blends. Alright. So, we're up to 13 minutes. Say it isn't so. I don't know what I want to do. I think that's about it. I think I'm going to go with a green liner. I don't know if this works. I might need a sharpener. Let's try it. It is the Easy Liner by Jordana. And it's an emerald green. To represent the stem of my eyes are still irritated from being outside. It's like it's really kicked my allergies up. Alright, going in with ColourPop Level Up. I did curl my eyelashes before I started. I don't normally put my mascara on while you guys are here. Like I said, I would not be offended if you're speeding through. Just please watch to the end. Helps my channel out. Please like the video, subscribe. It's free. My eyelashes are acting like assholes today. I'm waiting on my order. I ordered some stuff from ColourPop, which shipped. I have to check my shipping. And Flex Beauty, I ordered that shimmer that um, Jessica from Jessica Vargas. I switched my room around, as you can see. I have a different background. I'm trying to just work on my lighting and possibly better sound, I hope. Well, of course, you get better sound on the day the guy's going to... Alright, I'm going to go in with Animal Crossing by ColourPop lip stain. It's in cherry. Looks like that. I like these. These are real comfortable. Alright. And that is my look. Anyway, like I was saying, Flex Beauty. And then I also ordered their skin cream, night cream. I want to try that out. So this is my Honeysuckle June flower look. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, this is from the Brewed Beauties collab, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. We also have Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, and Erica Nail and More. So, please go watch their channels. I'll link them down below. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of every time I upload. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye.